Uhuru friends and comrades, this is Jackson with another Reparations Wednesdays, and this is 5 things to do with white distilled vinegar. So, first things first, most important thing on this list, okay, is hot carrots. So what you do is first you cook the carrots till they're a little bit soft, not mushy, a little bit soft. So, boil them for a little bit, drain it, and put it in a jar with a vinegar. I would say about a fourth of it if you're doing a small jar, or a fourth of the container. And then you fill it with water. Now, these are actually soaking in a vinegar wash, so these are not like what it will actually, the final product will look like, because, right here I have it in a veggie wash that I'll talk more about, to clean the carrots before they are made into hot carrots. And what you'll do is after cooking them, put it in there with some, the quarter bit of vinegar, water, sliced jalapenos, some cut up garlic, and cut up onions. And you'll put it in the fridge for, I would say, at least overnight, but they won't really be spicy until the longer you let them sit, the spicier they'll get. So it depends on your taste. I would say at least a day personally, but 3 days is really good. So then we have veggie wash, and these are some mangoes that I am veggie washing. I just put a splash of vinegar, fill it up with water, and let them sit for 20 minutes, and everything gets any grossness off of your fruits and veggies. And then so you need to clean up after cooking, and I'm actually going to do this one. So this is for a measuring cup for your laundry. So you can use vinegar for your laundry. If you have stuff that's really dirty, I would recommend putting a cup of baking soda into your laundry, and then during the wash cycle, so not with the baking soda or else it will get all during the rinse cycle, you'll put in the cup of vinegar. So, but if you're not doing that, if you just have regular clothes that you're washing, nothing too grimy, if it's a small load, I would do a cup of vinegar. If it's medium, I sometimes do 2, and for larger, it depends on how large, but maybe 3 cups. So that's really good natural way to clean your clothes. To clean your toilet, poke holes in the cup of a mason jar lid. Fill the jar all the way with vinegar, put it upside down into the top of your toilet, like the top, thing, not the toilet bowl. And every time you flush, a little bit of vinegar will go through, and it will keep your toilet from getting too grimy, needing to wash it too often, or scrub it too often. I would refill it about every week. It depends on how often you use your toilet, but I would do that. And then for surfaces, for countertops and whatnot, wrong one. This one, for countertops, I would fill this with a quarter of vinegar and then the rest water. You could do more, especially if you're doing a lot of mirrors. I would do at least half vinegar and then water. And just spray it. It takes care of mirrors especially well. Use newspaper or something or coffee filters to wash the mirror, and that will be perfect for it. Paper towels, and things like the paper sticks to the mirror, so don't do that. But yeah, for counters and whatever else you need to clean really. For shower, do the same thing, but put in a squirt of dish soap. And it works really well. You spray it on your shower, leave it for an hour, and then go through and scrub everything, and it works great. So those are 5 ways to use white distilled vinegar, and I hope you've learned a lot from this Reparations Wednesday. This is a fundraiser series, a YouTube fundraiser for the Reparations Challenge by the Uhuru Solidarity Movement. So this is raising reparations for the Black Power Blueprint Project, which is led by African people, Black people, empowering their own communities, building their own institutions for food, clothing, housing, commerce, all these different things. You can check out photos and videos at blackpowerblueprint.org. For this reparations challenge, go to uhurusolidarity.org. That's UHURU solidarity.org. and click on the big red button, Pay Reparations. Thank you for watching, and Uhuru.